Okay, so I thought I'd work this problem out for you so that you could look at something more than the solutions for this one. Okay, so here is one where we're supposed to find a resultant, and this is going to be our y-axis, okay, and here's our x-axis. Alright, so we have the angle here from the y-axis, so we need to find this angle, and that's going to be 90 minus 37, which is equal to 53. Okay, so that angle is going to be 53 degrees. Alright, then we have this one that's 41 degrees and 13 minutes. Now, we don't usually see angles reported this way in this textbook, but that really just means it's 41 degrees and 13 sixtieths. There are 60 minutes in a degree. Okay, so I'm just going to take my calculator and divide 13 by 60, and I get 0.217. Alright, so this one is really 41.217 degrees. Alright, so if I want to find the resultant is equal to force 1 plus force 2. Alright, and that really is going to be, we have to break it down into components. So Rx is going to be equal to F1x plus F2x. Alright, and if we want to, and then Ry is going to be equal to F1y plus F2y. Alright, so let's go back now and actually calculate Rx. Alright, it's going to be F1 160 newtons times cosine of 41.217 degrees. Okay, that x is in a positive direction for that. Oops, I forgot to add the other component. Alright, so then we need to do F2x. Now this, for this one, x is in a negative direction. See, this is on the negative side of the x-axis. So we do minus 200 newtons times the cosine of 53 degrees. Alright. Now I just need to plug all that into my calculator. So I've got 160 cosine 41.217 minus 200 cosine 53, and I get 0.08. Okay, so that effectively is 0. Right? Now Ry is going to be equal to the 160 newtons times cosine, oops, this one's sine because it's y, remember, 41.217. Okay, Don't forget, guys, to keep track of your signs, and this y is negative because it's going down. Alright, and the next y is also negative, so it is 200 newtons sine of 53. So when I calculate that, punch into my calculator here, I get 265.2. Now if I want to resolve this into R, what's this going to work out to be? R is equal to the square root of RY squared plus RX squared. So R is equal to the square root of, this is negative, okay, negative 265.2 squared plus 0 squared. So that means R equals, okay, 265.2 newtons. And guys, there's no X component on this, it's a strictly Y force. So you could say straight down, or you could alternatively write R is equal to 265.2 at like negative 90 degrees. Okay, a couple of different ways to show that. Probably just easier to sketch your system and put this on there and draw it. The clearest way to communicate. Okay, hope this helps. Thanks.